Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn the basic concepts of video editing. So I'm going to use Premiere Pro for the demonstration, and you can use any video editing software you would like to, because the concepts of video editing is same everywhere, and you can edit. After watching this video, you can edit video from your phone, from your PC or your laptop, from any device you would like to. So now let's get started. I have opened the Premiere Pro. So after you open any video editing software, you have to create a new project. So I'm creating a new project. You can create a project by going to file menu and then new and click on project, or else you can also use the shortcut Control Alt and N for creating a new project. I'm just naming it basics of video editing. Now after creating a project, let's learn a vital concept here. In Premiere Pro there is a concept of sequence. You can think of a sequence as a container of all your media files. The video footage, the audio or the images you want to use in your project is contained in the sequence. So first let's see how to create a sequence in Premiere Pro. So there are two ways of creating a sequence in Premiere Pro. You can click on this icon here, new item, and then you can create a sequence from here. So if you want to create a sequence using this method, you have to put in all the details of the video, like what is the frame rate of the video and what are the dimensions of the video. To save some time, we don't want to use this method. So there is another more friendly and more fast method for creating a sequence in Premiere Pro. I'm just importing a footage here. Now this is the footage I'm going to import. What you have to do, you just have to drag and drop the footage in the timeline. And after doing this, you will see here that it has created a sequence, and this is your video footage and this is the sequence. And you can also check the sequence settings here. The sequence settings will be the same as the video settings, like we'll have the same frame rate as of the video and the same dimensions as well. Of course, you can see that the frame rate is 23.496 and width and height is a full HD dimension. And now after that, we have checked sequence settings. Like if you want to change the view of the video in the timeline, you can just press Ctrl and + key and you'll get the thumbnail view of the video. Now the first concept in video editing is placing a cuts on the video. Now this is the video we have. So in Premiere Pro, if you want to place a cut, you'll have to use the razor tool, which you can access by also pressing the C key. And it is really accessible if you press the C key. Now suppose if you want to cut a video, like from here, let's see, if we place a cut and if you hover on the video, so we want to start our cut from this place, from like V is taking a turn, and we want to place our first cut here, and we want to place our second cuts when this board comes. We have placed our cuts. And now what we need to do is we need to remove this this trimmed part. You can remove it by pressing a delete key, but you can see that it has created a blank space. What you need to do, you need to drag and snap it to the first clip. So this was a tedious process, you see, like you have placed a cut and then deleted the trimmed part, and then you have to drag and place it after the first clip. So there is a much faster way to get this done in some simple steps. What you need to do, let's do the cuts again. Like if you want to start our cut from here and we want to go to this, when this board passes, we want to place a cut here. After selecting the trim part, press the shift and delete button. It will simply delete it, and it will also snap the video to the closer clip. So that is fine. And also I want to share a tip here. There is also a much faster way to place a cuts in the video. Like if you want to cut this video from here, when the board is there when this series of boards starts, what you need to do is just hold the Control key, and when you hold it, first let me introduce to the tool which is called a crop tool. When you hover to the end of the video or start of the video, you'll get this red color arrow tool. You can see that this is bracket with an arrow. It is the tool to trim the video from the start or from the end. If you want to trim the video to the specific parts, you just need to place a single cut, and after that you need to press the Control modifier key. After you press the Control key, the red color bracket arrow icon has turned into yellow. So now if you click and drag it, you'll see two thumbnails, and the first one is the starting position, and after that you need to drag it to the point which you want to remove. It will do 3 tasks at once. It will place a cut, and it will delete the trimmed part, and it will also snap the video to the closer clip. So like if you want to trim this, now what you need to just just follow the steps here. Is you just need to press the control key and you need to drag to the place where you want to trim the video, and then just leave that. It will automatically remove the trim part. And now let's also learn about how to place transitions in the video. Suppose you want to place transition between these two clips. You need to go to the effects and then go to the video transition, and you can just drag and drop in the cards here, and you'll see when you go here, you'll see that it has placed the transition. You can also increase the duration of the transition like this. Now before wrapping up the video, we want to revise what we have learned in the video. First, we have learned the basics of video editing, what is sequence and how to create one. Then we learned the quickest way to create a sequence in Premiere Pro. Then we also learned how to place cuts on the video, and we also learned some tips about placing cuts on the video. Now in the next video, we will learn how to color correct a video in Premiere Pro. As you know, Premiere Pro is best for color grading and color correction, and for this one also the concepts are going to be the same in all the video editing software. Terms, exposure, contrast, whites, black, these are some global terms which you'll see in every video editing software. So if you don't have Premiere Pro, you don't need to worry about. You can use any video editing software to color correct your video. And then after that, we'll also learn many video editing concepts in the future videos. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe to this channel, because we are also starting out the basics of animation in After Effects, and much more things are going to come in the future on this channel. So please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.